is working now. All right, let's give you guys a breakdown. So yesterday, this is how I made over $900 in 2 days, right? Keep in mind, it is demo. Y'all can see it says demo. I am treating this as a real account. Why? Because when you're trading a fucking combine or a challenge, it's a demo account until you pass the challenge and you get your first payout. It turns into an actual live account, right? I'm gonna treat this as a real account because however you do one thing is how you do everything. Keep that in mind, boys. However you do one thing is how you do everything. So now that I got that out the way, I want to show you guys. I traded 3 contracts today. Oh, this was yesterday, my bad. Or today. This was yesterday. Yesterday I made over $500 trading. So pretty much I had 3 contracts. I made over, I want to say 525. I traded NASDAQ. I sold NAS. I really don't recall exactly how I traded it, just because Tradeovate on the phone is it's a bitch to understand. Like, it's weird, but don't worry about it. I'm about to teach you everything. I'm about to show you how to chart. I'm about to show you how to get everything set up, right? I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can become a trader, how you guys can become profitable, how you guys can do all these things that I'm doing. I'm gonna give you guys the keys to the car, right? But before you fucking drive, you gotta learn the basics, right? So this is what I made yesterday. Let's go on to today, and I'm gonna go over what I did today. So pretty much today I had 2 trades pre-market, which was at 5:30, and I finished around 6:12. So I want to say around 40 minutes. Then I had a 7:30. I traded at 7:30 when the banks are open. Keep in mind, what I'm saying pre-market is each trading session, I'll show you guys over here. Y'all can see it says New York, London. Y'all can see this, right? It says New York, London, and this is Asian session. Depending on what you're trading, depending on what part of the world you are, time matters, right? Because we're trading with the big institutions. We're trading with the banks. Your $50 are not gonna fucking move the markets and create these big ass candles. Keep that in mind, right? So time is everything. Since in my time zone I trade at 7:30 a.m. I'm trading New York at all times, regardless of whatever I'm trading. But let's get right to it, right? So as you can see, I'm gonna break down today's trade, but I have all these fucking markups down here, but I guess I'll just explain them before I confuse myself and you guys. Get that out the way, get this out the way. Cool. All right, let's go down to the 5-minute time frame. I'll explain to you guys about the time frames. It's just the time frame is just breaking down these moves, right? It's just to dissect the move, right? Pretty much dissecting the move. What happened in the lower time frames. When I first started trading and losing all my combines was because I was neglecting the smaller time frames. I was focused on the gaps. I'll show you guys about the gaps right now. But yeah, let's go into today's trade. I want to say, let's see, 15 minute. Cool. I traded pre-market, right? So this is the right pair, right? Because I was on US 30 right now when I was doing the other video, bro, and I was just fucking out of my mind, bro. All right, as you guys can see, right? So you guys can see here this level 22,386. I want to say it's 385, but we'll keep it at that. The way I trade is, I know that NAS likes to go through the levels. NAS likes to bounce off certain levels. This level right here plays a huge role in the previous movements NAS has had, right? You can see it broke through this level, had a retracement, a higher push in the Asian session. Then it came back in, tapped to it, got rejected, came back in, tapped it, broke past this level, and just pretty much dumped, right? Then again, as you can see, came back to the level, tested the level, consolidated around the level for a couple minutes, then broke past the level, reaching these previous day's highs, right? Same thing, same level, tested it, rejected it, wicked it out. Buyers couldn't push it past this level. Sellers loved this level and just kept pushing it, and it fucking dumped, right? Same thing again, next day, levels. You guys get the point, right? So pretty much I was watching the market, saw that London session created pretty much the high of this day, and when I got in was around 6:15, 6:12. And the thing is, like, I would always look at the chart before 7:30 because I trade pre-market, but there's some days that I do trade with the big moves because there's not gonna be that much volume at certain times. But it comes with time. As you guys are on the charts, as you guys are pretty much having your own experience with trading, you guys are gonna develop your own strategy. You guys gonna feel comfortable doing certain things, right? I feel comfortable going in pre-market because it's worked in the past for me. So yeah, I got in at around, I want to say, yeah, I got in 10 points fucking far. My entry was around here, 23.75. Let me see, mark this down. This was my entry. I got out at about, I want to say 63. Let me see real quick. I sold at 22,375, and it says bought price, but it pretty much just means that that's when I closed the trade because I was selling. So I closed at 23.68, which is a small move with 2 contracts, right? It was just a couple points, right? I want to say what, like, not even nothing, bro. See, I'm all fucked up already, bro. I'm all pissed. Okay, so yeah, this was my entry. This was my exit. I could have capitalized more. You guys can go check the Discord. I think I have it. Let me see right here, the Discord. I still got time. Fuck it. I'm a little bit rushed, bro. I had it all fucking broken down. Y'all can see 5:30. I was watching for a breakthrough of the previous day high for a reaction from that level. You guys can see 22,386. I was waiting for price to push past it, break through it, or if it didn't, it was gonna retrace. Which pretty much I entered at around this level, this candle 10 points below this level, because I saw that it tried to push. Like I told you guys, it comes back to the same level. Right? Levels. That's what I'm talking about. Levels. It came back to this level. It came to this level. Buyers got in, pushed it high again, but it didn't signify, for me, it didn't signify no reversal. I want to go into the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, you guys can see, like, as soon as I saw this candle form at around 5:30-ish, like, I knew that I wanted to see price bounce off this level and push higher. If not, my confluent, pretty much I was waiting for price to come in and take out all this liquidity, all this range down here. Pretty much liquidity is just the high moves that the market has, like all these movements right here. Oh boy, I already recorded this shit, bro. I'm all over the place, but all this movement right here, I knew that price would fill this in, right? And honestly, I could have got greedy, but like I'm telling you guys, I'm just aiming for $300 to $500 profit because I'm trying to treat it as if it was a real combine, right? Let me show you guys before you guys are here for, right? Pretty much I knew price was gonna break through this level, and I knew that if price kept pushing, as you guys can see, like this is why I love the 5-minute and the lower time frames. But sometimes when you're a beginner trader, your emotions can get in the way. And the thing is, like here, right? You can see that price tapped into this level, had a retracement, a push higher, but then open lower. It's all a matter of understanding that, okay, this is a certain level that price is a reaction. If you would have got scared and got out because it pushed higher and you'd be like, oh shit, it might retrace. That's why you could have got scared. Like I used to get scared, got out, and then just missed out on a whole trade. I'm seeing my mistakes, right? That's why I love recording my pretty much my back testing, let's say, but I'm pretty much explaining it to you guys, right? If you get scared of this shit and don't believe in yourself, understand confidence is the ultimate thing that you need. Without the confidence, you're not going to be a good trader. That's one thing I struggled with the most. Now my execution, because my mind was not where it needed to be, that's one of my biggest struggles. But like I'm telling you guys, even though it's a demo account, I can go crazy, trade like 10 contracts and make like $10,000 in one move. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to treat it like if it was a real account that I'm trying to pass, that I'm trying to prepare myself for when 2025 comes to be a funded trader and be able to make some withdrawals, right? Remember, how you do one thing is how you do everything. So pretty much, price retraced, it broke past this level, opened to this level. This would have gave me an indication that the selling pressure is high. Yes, price came in, pushed past this, but you can see the volume that this candle has. Like, the body is so small compared to the other candles next to it. And then again, price opened again at the same level that I'm telling you guys, levels. Opened up at the same level and just pretty much dumped, never came back to this level, and just pretty much, if I would have been realistically holding in that trade, you can see it's pre-market. This one 730 came in and it had a different type of move. But there's gonna be pre-market moves. Like, I love the pre-market at moments, and sometimes it just doesn't fucking move. And like, but with the pre-market, like, sometimes you lose less, sometimes you can make more. If I would have been actually like holding this trade for a minute, I would have aimed for the bottom of these, or at least this gap right here, like this 5-minute gap. I would have pretty much cashed. I would have pretty much taken profits out around here, which would have been, let me see, it would have been a nice 1 to 4, bro. A nice 1 to 4. You know, like, it would have been a nice 1 to 4 trading NAS. I was trading 3 contracts. I have to treat this as a regular combine because you guys gotta understand, like, I'm trying to do things right. I'm preparing myself. You guys can fuck with your ego, come in and trade all this shit, make a shit ton of money. It's not gonna help you because your ego and your mind is gonna seek those big trades. But when it goes bad, how do you deal with these emotions? Because if I lose money in the demo, it don't affect me, right? Now I gotta carry these same emotions to my fucking combines. And now that you've seen how this trade played out, I want to tell you guys about the levels. Like, you see price came back into this range right here. Let me show you guys. Let's say, because this is what I speak about levels, right? Levels. Let me remove this right here. Cool. Everybody has their own strategy. This is what works for me, guys. Like, up to you. When you guys come to the charts, you guys are going to develop your own strategy. You're going to train your eyes to see what you guys want to see, right? You can see price taps into this level, has a move down, same area where it had a push. This is all that I see. Like, yes, you can check previously on the small time frames. This is what my boy Jay taught me. Like, price tends to move on ranges. There's premium prices, there's discount prices, all these things, right? But you gotta understand that price likes to move in certain ranges. And it's not just trading up and down. No, it's not about that, right? It seems very easy to be true, right? But don't overcomplicate it. Trading is as complicated as you fucking make it, right? I had to learn that shit the hard way. But you can see, taps into this level, retraces, same level where it had a higher push, where it was consolidating around, where it rejected it once, came back, rejected it again, came back, rejected it a third time, and it just fucking blew off of this level again, tapped into the same level, had a reaction from this level as well here. Same level, has a reaction, has a push, came back, tested the level, consolidated through the level, then just had a higher push, right? Everything makes sense once you train your eyes. To somebody that has their own strategy, they may call this shit bullshit. This shit works for me. It's worked for me. It has gotten me $1,000 trade days. Like, y'all can see my previous videos. I use the same fucking strategies. My boy Jay racks in, like, I want to say $1,000 to $3,000 daily when he does these things, right? And he's been doing this for 4 years. So this is what works for me. This is how I understood the market. Pretty much NASDAQ, because 30, I love US 30 at the same time. I have a love-hate relationship with it because I can't understand that pair at moments, and I lost my first combine with that pair, so fuck 30 for right now. But yeah, man, like, same area, same range, price traded sideways on this. It didn't know if it wanted to break through. Boom, broke through it, had a higher push to the same area up here, same levels. Let me see if I can show you guys, like, same levels, same fucking levels where there's movements, where price tends to come back. You just gotta train yourself to see those levels. Don't be dumb and just come in and like say, oh, this is the same level. No, you gotta understand that there's a specific reason, right? Same shit, same level, price retraced. I could have had another entry here at 620. Price came into this level, that had retraced previously from, that it had higher that it had a push from. You can see this level could indicate a push or a fucking reversal. Price tested the level, pushed down to the upside on the level, tried to push higher, and then just dumped. It's just a matter of you training your eyes, right? It's just a matter of you training your fucking eyes and your mind. Same thing here. Tested this level. Previously, it tried to break through this level, but it just flew up and just broke through the level. Just broke through the level, dumped all the way down. 730 came around. What happened? Came back to the same level, tested it, tried to push back to this level, couldn't do it. Came back, tested this level again. What are we seeing? Price was battling between buyers and sellers. Sellers got the up hand. Fucking just dumped. Sellers took all this liquidity, you know? Sellers came in, they saw this huge move, they took out this liquidity. Same shit here, vice versa. It's just a matter of understanding the basics, boys. I made this shit a fucking 20-minute video, which, I mean, the other one would have been the same shit. But you guys can see I keep showing up every day. Let me show you guys. Like, my fucking oldest video, bro. 2 months ago. I just started YouTube 2 months ago. Look at my subscriber count. I keep fucking showing up every day. Right? I show up every day. If it's trading, if it's working out, like I have different things throughout my channel, right? Like I speak about a lot of stuff throughout my channel. But it all pretty much works together. Your mindset, your physique, your habits, you translate that to the market. If you want to be a trader, cool. You got to understand that it comes with sacrifices. It comes with you being diligent, you being a better version of yourself. If you don't stick to your basics and you don't have good habits in your own personal life, if you still lie to yourself, if you're still afraid of walking alone, if you're still afraid of new changes, this is not going to be for you. Understand that part. On that note, boys, I'm about to leave you guys. I'm fucking tired. My coffee's cold already. Yeah, that shit cold. But I still got work to do. For those of you who are always here every day, I'm not going to do a vlog style video today just because I gotta go to the store. I gotta do all these things. I'm limited on time because of work. That's why I decided to do more of a breakdown video for you guys. But I'm still staying active. Y'all boys can go see me on Instagram. Y'all already know I be posting everything every single day. And yeah, man, tomorrow we're going to show up again. We're going to do the same things. We're going to get better. Me and my boy Greg are working on this course for you guys. I got so many things that I'm working on right now, bro. Like, trust me, I got hella fucking notes. I'm not going to show y'all a lot just because my fucking handwriting is ass. Courses, video ideas. I got so many things that I'm doing for you guys, right? And for myself as well. Just stay tuned, boys. Stay tuned. We're only going to get better. The trading is only going to get better. I'm back from a break that I took for a week. I made $1,000. I'm up 1,000 again in 2 fucking days. It's fucking possible. 2025 is my year. We're going to take over YouTube. We're going to take over fucking trading. We're going to do these things. I believe in myself. And I'm going to keep showing up like I've been showing up. As y'all can see, right? Let me see if I can show you guys. Almost 80,000 views. Joined September 22. September 22nd, right? It currently is December 18th. 3 months ago, I decided to change my life. I decided to embark on this journey. Don't click on this link no more. I'm about to remove this because my boy Jay is not doing the boot camps no more. He's doing his own thing. Shout out my boy Jay. But yeah, man, 3 months ago, I started doing this shit. Who knows where I would be in 6 months? Well, I know where I'm going to be because I believe in myself, right? But who knows where you can be in 3 months? Who knows where you can be in the next year? It's just a matter of showing up, making a plan, and start thinking for yourself. Don't let your fucking surroundings dictate the route you're going to take. I used to be, y'all can check my oldest video. let me see if I can pull it up. Like, bro, I used to be heavy as fuck. I used to be fat. Look at the fucking gut I had right there. Look at that fucking gut. I used to be the weakest version of myself. Like, bro, I used to be the weakest version of myself. I talk about mindset. I talk about all these things. You can see like 230 pounds. I was heavy as fuck. Heavy as fuck. I changed, bro. I embarked on this journey. Y'all could even see like my face was fatter here. My face was fatter there too. Look, I mean, I might look the same way, but still, like, I'm changing. And it's a matter of consistency and showing up. You never know where you're going to be unless you fucking put your foot on the gas, stop making excuses, and change your fucking mindset. If you want to embark on this trading journey, cool. Do you really want change, or do you just want the money? And if you want the money, ask yourself, why do you want it? Why do you need it so bad? What's your reason? On that note, boys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I'm trying to work on so many more things for you guys to make everything better. And like I always tell you, boys, keep watering your own garden. Don't wait for the fucking rain, because if it doesn't come and you're just waiting on the rain, how the fuck are you gonna grow? Water yourself. Do it for you. There's no perfect time to start. There's no perfect day. Nothing is gonna come and save you. Nobody's gonna come and save you. Do it for you. See y'all boys in the next one.